Buttercream by itself is already creamy and delicious. Add some orange to it, and you have a whole new sweet treat. Adding orange to frosting can help reduce the sweetness and give it a nice fruity flavor. This orange buttercream frosting with orange extract will be a hit amongst your family and friends. Orange buttercream goes great with vanilla, chocolate, carrot, and spice cakes. The orange taste is not overly powerful, but gives a nice flavor to many desserts. You'll be surprised how well it also pairs with sugar cookies and brownies. If you love the dreamy taste of orange creamsicles, you are sure to love this frosting. It is the perfect balance of orange flavor and creamy buttercream. It is a simple recipe to make and does not require any baking experience. What is orange extract? Orange extract is made from oil from orange rind, alcohol, and water. It has a strong orange taste that gives a powerful flavor, stronger than orange juice. It is commonly used in baked goods and alcoholic drinks. Orange extract provides a pleasant citrusy flavor. Adding a small amount to a recipe can give it a perfect orange taste. It can be found in grocery stores and online at Amazon. You may also make orange extract at home using vodka and orange zest. Simply zest a whole orange, place it in a jar of vodka, and store it in a cool, dark area for at least 2 weeks. What is orange zest? Orange zest is tiny pieces of the outer peel that release flavorful oils into dishes, giving a stronger taste than juice. Orange zest is tiny pieces of the outer peel that release flavorful oils into dishes, giving a stronger taste than juice. To grate an orange, it is easiest to use a microplane, grater, or a paring knife. When grating an orange, you want to make sure the pieces are small, as large pieces of zest are harder to chew. Adding too much zest may also lead to a bitter flavor. When getting orange zest, you want to try to get only the orange-colored parts of the peel, and as little of the white part as possible. The orange-colored part of the peel is less bitter than the white, so it is more desirable to have. Though fresh orange zest will have the best taste, you can also buy it. You can find orange zest in the spice aisle at most grocery stores. You can store freshly grated orange zest in the fridge for up to a week, and in the freezer for up to a month. Grating orange ahead of time is a great way to save time when you have recipes that call for orange zest. Not only does orange zest go great in buttercream frosting, but it also goes well in mixed drinks, marmalade, and inside baked goods. It can also be used as a freshener in garbage cans, an insect repellent, and a fire starter. What you will need. Ingredients: 1/4 cup butter softened, 2 cups confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon grated orange zest, 3/4 teaspoon orange extract, 2 to 3 tablespoons orange juice. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Zest your orange and place it to the side. In a large bowl, cream the butter with an electric mixer until smooth. Step 2. Beat the confectioner's sugar, orange zest, and orange extract until fully mixed. Add enough orange juice to achieve the proper frosting consistency. This buttercream comes out with a lovely light orange shade. You may add orange food coloring for the stronger orange color. Tips and tricks. If you want this recipe to be as fresh as possible, you can use freshly squeezed orange juice in addition to freshly zested orange peel. The fresh orange flavor will stand out. This frosting can be stored at room temperature for up to 3 days, and may be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. It may also be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months. If you stored your buttercream in the fridge or freezer, make sure to bring it back to room temperature before decorating, otherwise, it will not have the right consistency. You will also want to re-whip it as it will likely have separated. Make sure to soften your butter before adding it to your frosting. Cold butter will change the consistency of the frosting. With the addition to the orange juice, the cold butter will likely curdle, and the orange juice will not properly mix in. If the butter is too warm, it will often separate when mixed into the frosting. If your frosting appears to be too runny, you can pop the bowl in the fridge for 10 minutes and then re-whip it. To avoid warm butter, soften your butter for half an hour to an hour. If you are going to have this frosting out in the heat, and you are worried about it melting, you can add a tablespoon of meringue powder. The meringue powder helps with stability, which allows it to hold together better in hot temperatures. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.